In this video, I am going to show you the course outline. There is a lot that goes into this course, a lot of different things, but trust me, it is well worth it. I started building my systems about a year ago. I am going to make that 10 times faster for you to get set up with this out of the box solution. Out of the box, but you do still have to like put your personality into the box, apply for A2P, which I'm going to break it down, what that is, and a couple other things. So let's go into a screen share and let me show you exactly what this course outline is going to look like. Now, this is the back end of my course. So don't judge the lack of structure or the user interface. First thing we have is why the CRM is for you. Obviously, you did that already. Now we have the how to import your AI snapshot. So below, we're going to have some instructions, and you're going to see the instructions in this video of how to import your AI snapshot, how to get approved for A2P fast. That's a big thing that a lot of people are like, dude, how do I get approved for A2P? But not only that, how do I get approved fast? I'm going to show you fastest method that I know to get approved for A2P. And I have like a 100%, I literally have a 100% success rate when I'm applying for people's A2P. Every single person that I have applied for, I have been successful and they actually have their A2P done. But you need to pay really close attention in that video because that's where most people will go wrong. Literally everything is laid out for you. Just follow step by step. Okay, the next one is we have Project Spam, how to season your number. That kind of goes hand in hand with the A2P. We want to make sure that you can ramp up your number as quick as possible. And then after that, we have building your AI clones. So this is the best part of the system, is we can build clones that will literally replicate your personality, reach out to agents, buyers, sellers, wholesalers on your behalf, and they will think that it's you. It's super freaking cool. Before we get started on building those, I want to go over the costs associated with running this system. There are costs associated with running this system. You're not going to get anything of significance if it's free. Okay, that's just the way it is. You're not going to get anything of significance if it's free. I give you my intellectual property for free, but this costs money, right? You have to run Zapier, you have to run ChatGPT, etc., right? So I'm going to break down all of those costs. Then we're going to have the how to set up your ChatGPT premium account and your OpenAI key, which is how Go High Level talks to ChatGPT and how that goes back to Go High Level. And then, of course, how to set up your Zapier account. Then we're going to build the acquisitions AI bot. So I'm going to show you how to build it. I'm going to show you where you can find the best data for your bot. And I'm going to show you how to use your bot. Same thing with the buyer bot. I'm going to show you how to build it. I'm going to show you where you can find the best data for it. And I'm going to show you how to use it. And I'm also going to show you how to input your buyer's buying criteria, because that's the way that I see a lot of people make a mistake, is they don't input their criteria right. And then when they go to do a search for their buyers, that buyer is not included in the search because they didn't input the information correctly. So I'm going to show you that, how we can sort so that when it comes time to doing a smart list of our buyers or a search for our buyers, we're able to pull a list of exactly who wants what. Then, of course, we have the wholesaler AI bot, how to build it, how to find the best data to reach out to wholesalers on your behalf for JV deals, and how to use it. Then we have the direct to seller bot, how to build your direct to seller bot, how to find the best data for your direct to seller bot, and how to use your direct to seller bot. Then we have the infinite follow-up stuff. So like, for example, we have agent infinite follow-up, we have wholesaler infinite follow-up, and we also have a quality sorter for agents and wholesalers. So essentially what that's going to do is it's going to sort them based on 3 different tiers, you know, whether they've sent you something, whether you contracted something with them, or you closed something with them. And depending on the quality of the agent, it's going to follow up differently. It's going to follow up a little bit more intensely with people that you've closed something with versus people that haven't even sent you something yet. So the next thing that we have is we have some pipelines. Like we have the off-market leads pipeline. And I'm going to show you how to add an opportunity to it. We have the agent off-market auto follow-up. So this is really freaking cool. The system will automatically follow up with your declined offers. Okay. And that works on both the off-market pipeline as well as the MLS pipeline. Now, guys, this MLS pipeline is freaking awesome. Like, I I've lost count how much money I've made, but like I've done at least like 10 to 15 deals off of this MLS offers pipeline. It's freaking awesome. It's a really, really juicy source for contracts. So how to find hundreds of distressed properties on the MLS is what I'm going to show you first. How do you find your data? Okay. And then after that, I'm going to show you how do you add an opportunity to your MLS offers pipeline. Okay. And then I'm going to give you an overview of like the different follow-ups and automations we put in place. Like, for example, declined offer follow-up. If they don't answer, it'll follow up with them, et cetera, et cetera. And I'm also going to show you about my automatic offer sender. Some people have built other products like the LOI blaster. Like, bro, like I built this inside of this badass system. Like, you don't need all of these different small products. Like, this system has it all, including an offer sender where it'll automatically write an offer for you and send it to the agent. And I'm going to show you how I submitted over 40 written offers in 9 hours using this automatic offer sender. And as a matter of fact, I even live streamed it as well. So I'll put the link for the live stream in the description of that video if you don't believe me. And then we have the wholesaler micro flipping pipeline, and I'm going to show you how to add opportunities to that. It's pretty straightforward. And then we go on to dispositions. So how to create a deal email. Then the next thing we have is how to send a deal blast. So remember before about sorting your buyers? Well, sorting your buyers is important because when you go to send a deal blast, you want to be able to easily pull a draw of the exact buyers that you're looking for. And then we just have our resources section where we're going to go over any resources to help you get further ahead or like additional stuff that you can use. Okay, so with that being said, that is the course outline, guys. It's 36-ish steps. Honestly, I would say budget like a week to get your system set up. But trust me, once you get these systems set up, you're going to be far more efficient in your business. I see a lot of people that are going from like, using an Excel spreadsheet to and using a Google Voice number to this system, and they just like bloom and they flourish. There's been numerous people, like at least 150 people have this system at the date of recording, and it's only more and more. And I've watched so many people get this system, get their deal, either their first deal or start closing multiple deals a month because of this system. Trust me, it works. I'm a living example that it works. I'm in Bali, Indonesia right now. I've been traveling the world, closing multiple deals a month. So trust me, it's worth it. And your success is my success. I want you guys to be successful, and I want you guys to bring me your Florida deals so that I can sell them for you. So we'll do some business together as well. Enjoy the course and let's get going.